Good morning, everybody. Happy Saturday. Today is Saturday, February 22nd, and it's a happy birthday for my honey buns and a happy birthday for my daughter Emma. And tomorrow is going to be a happy birthday for my twin daughters. So you guys, for today, the forecast said it was going to rain 70%, so I wasn't able to get like a jumper or nothing basically. So what I'm doing is I'm cooking mole. I'm making mole de pollo, and I couldn't get a jumper, but I did get 2 piñatas. But these piñatas are like those bougie piñatas that you don't hit, like you just pull the string and whoever gets lucky opens up the piñata. So that's what I'm doing because it's going to be an indoor thing. So I want to show you guys really quickly here in this pot. I have onions, cilantro, a lot of water, and I have 25 chicken legs that I'm going to cook. And I also put I'm gonna put later on nor de pollo because I really don't use salt, so I'm going to put nor de pollo. We were just currently having breakfast, so I have to clean up. I'm gonna set up everything quickly of what I need for my chicken mole sauce. I think I have this recipe up on my channel already, but I'm going to just quickly share it here in this video. And yeah. Okay, you guys, let me give you a quick rundown of the list of items I need. If by in any means I forget to add anything, I will definitely let you know in the rest of the video. But I'm going to use an onion. This is a bolillo, so you can use any bread, honestly, like you can use any bread, but I prefer to use bolillo. We're going to use half of this plantain, un plátano. Tomatoes, we're gonna use a little bit of the abuelita chocolate. You're going to need raisins. You're going to need raisins. You're gonna need sesame seeds, semillas de ajonjolín. You are going to need piloncillo. Let's see. I want it to focus. There you go. So this is just like a brown sugar cane, and it looks like this. You are going to need your canela, your cinnamon, cacahuates. You're gonna need peanuts. These have already been cleaned and they don't have salt or anything, so that's how you need them. I am going to use lard, manteca, but you can use realistically anything, vegetable oil, whatever you have, you can use. Just don't use butter. I'm going to use manteca. We're also going to need almendras, and these are sliced almonds. Now for your chiles, you are going to need like 3, maybe 4 chile moritas. You're going to need 3 or 4 chile pasillas, 3 or 4 chile mulatos, and this is optional, but I feel like it gives it a better flavor, and I'm gonna be using some chile guajillos. But yeah, you guys, that's basically what you need. Maybe I think I'm forgetting garlic, so we're gonna use garlic and chicken nor because I don't use salt. And we're gonna be using to like mash all of this up in the blender. We're going to use the caldo de pollo, so we're going to be using this liquid. Okay, you guys, so let me show you everything. I cook it in the manteca except for the ajonjolín. These you just want to toast them on dry, but everything else, here's the bolillo, the plátano, they've all been toasted or cooked or fritos, fried basically in a little bit of manteca or lard. Over here on this side I have some garlic, 2 tomatoes cut into 4s, and a whole onion. And I'm going to be adding my chiles in here. So when it's ready for that, I will show you. Alright y'all, here are my chiles. I already threw them in here. Once it starts smelling like chile up in here, I'm gonna put in some caldo de pollo. And I'm gonna be putting in here the piloncillo, the chocolate, and a little piece of the canela. And I'm just gonna let the chiles, you know, hydrate. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And then we're going to take it to the blender. So once it's time for that, I will be back. Okay, you guys. Here's the piloncillo. Here's the canela. Where is the chocolate de la abuelita? Okay, the chocolate was right here. See? So we're just going to cover this, and just once this is completely dissolved and the chocolate too, then we're gonna go and blend it. Okay, you guys. Kaden! Shh. Okay, you guys, so I already turned off my stove. I'm just gonna let this sit for about 15-20 minutes so that everything, all the juices can just get involved with each other. And we're gonna let it cool down basically, and then we're going to blend it. My chicken is ready, and I'm just going to wash my dishes. You guys, I try to be as clean as possible when I am cooking, because there is nothing better than cleaning as you go. I am making some Mexican rice, and I wanted to show you guys that I am putting my sauce through a strainer. Here's the rest of my sauce. Here's what I'm straining. You guys, the taste in this is so bomb. So this is what my mole sauce looks like. We still have to cook this, and it's gonna get a little bit darker, but it's basically ready, you guys. I have here an olla de barro. This is, I forgot what this is called in English, but it's like a clay pot, whatever. And it's already been, there's a word for it, but you see how it's shiny? So it's ready to use to cook. I always use this one for the mole. And here I put a little bit of lard, manteca, and I'm gonna be putting in my mole. All right, y'all, so this is what your mole should look like after it has hervido. And then here is my rice. Yeah. And then in here I have my chicken legs, and then these I'm gonna put them in here when it's time to eat.
¿Qué pasó? ¿Eh? Como que quiere reconocer, dice, yo había venido aquí. Digamos, ¿tú qué le ibas a decir? Carnalito.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday, dear Alberto, Emma, Alisa y Alisa.